All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and let me share with you what I am preparing for tonight testing for the new modern Mediterranean diet. So this is the menu for tonight. We're going to start with an appetizer salad with vegetables. So this is romaine, topped with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. I have some green onions inside, and radish, and I've made a vinaigrette with fresh oregano, a little bit of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and red vinegar. I'm gonna top the salad with a little Gouda over here. Then I'm gonna serve this with some ciabatta bread with a topping, a dipping sauce, sorry. Balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar. So let's go ahead and finish the bread. We're gonna toast it for a few minutes, about 10 minutes. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for helping me. So we got the appetizer, bread, and the salad. Then for entree, we're going to do a Mahi Mahi filet, 100 grams each. And let's go ahead and marinate this. Extra virgin olive oil, paprika, and fresh herbs, sage, oregano, and garlic. So we'll go ahead, let it marinate for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna put it on our skillet, and we're gonna broil it in the oven. Then we're gonna serve this with risotto. Risotto arborio style. For people that don't know, this is Italian rice, nice and creamy, very starchy. So we're gonna go ahead and start this with some butter, 10 grams. As you learn the Meals for Longevity cooking, you're gonna learn that everything is with numbers. All these numbers, they mean something. And that's the secret of our program, to be able to stay focused on the guidelines of the modern Mediterranean diet. That's the latest update of the classic Mediterranean diet. I know it's complicated, but don't worry, I'm here. So we'll go ahead and color the onion. Then we're gonna add the rice, a little bit of white wine. I'm gonna cook it with a little chicken stock. And at the end, I'm gonna finish with Parmigiana cheese. I'm gonna serve it. The fish is gonna be served with the risotto we said, and some fresh green beans. Then going to blanch. I'm going to saute with extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and fresh oregano. So this is an example of what you'll be able to put together when you will use the DIY meal planner builder for the Mediterranean diet. Learn more on mealsforlongevity.com. Subscribe on this channel. Subscribe on the newsletter on my website, so I can start sending you some information on how you do that. I'm Chef Giuseppe, and have a good day. Ciao. By the way, the meatballs are for guests coming for Thanksgiving. They want to taste my famous meatballs, and I'm starting to get ready for people coming over. It's always exciting. All right, some risotto. We're gonna toast that. We're going to add the white wine and chicken broth. It cooks in about 15 minutes. All right, in the future I will do movies and show you how we do this live and also on demand. Ciao.